All right, good morning. Another day, another dollar. Don't forget to holla. Howdy doody, howdy deedy. It's howdy doody time. All right. Here we go. All right, so today is Monday, July 14th. The time on the screen is Pacific Standard Time. So I am still waiting for my Apex Traded funding payout. Okay, so you see here, it's under review, folks. Under review. So we're waiting for this $946 payout. Under review. Don't know what there is to review. I hit the 8 days. Maybe did I have the enough profit per day? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? So I'm probably not going to actually take a trade today. So just so you know, we're just going to watch the market for entertainment purposes. I did modify my trade strategy a little bit. I will be taking trades starting at 1 minute before market. So I did some more back testing in the weekend. And because I didn't like how my strategy was playing out and moving out, it was in a sideward motion, started to stop work pretty much. So I'm going to be testing a different same bear flag, bull flag of the opening 1 second market, but now it's going to be incorporating bear flags and bull flags that originate before 1 minute before the market opens. Before I didn't have it originate before the market opened. If that makes sense. Three minutes before the market opens right now, 2.5 minutes. It's going to be generating the trade here on the right side of the screen. I'm using a 50K account by Apex Trader Funding. There's my 1 minute before 1 minute of the market opening. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com to get the biggest discount available. I believe it's still 80% off the evaluations and discounted activation fees, also I believe of $140 after you pass the evaluation. Okay, here we go. 15 seconds until this may or may not generate a signal. I'm not going to take a trade because I haven't been approved for the payout yet. Kind of annoying, not gonna lie. Requested the payout Friday after market. You would think they would review it over the weekend. No movement yet. Oh, there's some movement. So I'm just gonna maximize this screen here. Still no movement yet. Okay, the market's opening in 4 seconds. There is a 5-second delay. Trading on risk. This is not financial advice. There we go. Pump up. Market open. That's a resistant line that I put up a while ago. I don't consider that for anything, but it's just there for just to know. Still no signals generated. Oh, great. That's ridiculous. Okay, so there's the generated code. All right, well, this is ridiculous. So I didn't even have my indicator active. I thought I had an active setup last night, so sorry about that, folks. It looks like we should have took a long position way back here, and it would have been a winner. Market's going up, breaking up. Market's breaking up. So with my strategy, it would have produced a buy signal way back here at 6:29 a.m. and the take profit would have been right at market open. So it would have been a profitable trade. Market is back down to where it opened. Market's going nowhere. If we would have taken the traditional first trade, it looks like it also would have been a winner. So whether I had the modified trade on or the historical trade, it would have been a winner. Yeah, that's annoying. Okay. Oh, that's not up to date. Reset to chart session. Okay, there we go. So we got the winner generated up there. Right there. So this is the new profit curve, incorporating 1 minute before the market opens instead of just as the market opens. Still a 71% win rate on this end, which is better than, it looks better than the other one, because the other one had a weird consolidation period. Somehow disable this application from wanting to connect to my phone for video. All right. So looking back at my Apex Funded Trader account here, sitting at $3,046. See that? There we go. Go last month plus today. So we're looking at this account. We're at 3624 total on the account, minus the $500, almost $600 payout that I've already had, and waiting for another $500 or a $900, over $900 payout. We're sitting at an 89% win rate. All of our trades taken right here on camera at 6:30 a.m. I've only taken 2 loser trades on this account. It's because I sit out days like today because I shouldn't. Well, I mean, if I was approved for the payout and they would have taken my money out of the account and locked it in and, whatever, I would have traded the account. I have almost $3,000 of drawdown capability, which is nice. Buffer, nice little buffer. I'm in the process of converting this strategy indicator to an indicator to just be on Tradovate. Why? Well, Tradingview is expensive, and to look at 2 different charts can be a little bit frustrating and hard. And potentially, if I find a strategy that I'm just happy with and I don't need to go back and forth between different strategies, then I don't need to pay for Tradingview in the future. Yeah, the strategy is basically the first bull flag or bear flag. Cuts up. Here's the so here's the 629 where it starts calculating the trade, pushes up, pulls back. Here's the bear flag, bull flag in this case. Angle is here, breaks the recent high, get in, get your 10 points, and then get out. Let's see what the market's doing now. It's a little bit down. The VXN is still at 19. I like it a little higher at 20 or above. Anything over 13 or 15 is okay. I thought I had my indicator on this morning. Kind of annoying. Really annoying. Really, really ridiculously annoying. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. So down a little bit. Let's go to let's see here. Let's go to this is the 1 day. So the 1 day we kind of had pull trend line here. It's bouncing off, it's breaking these smaller trend lines here, heading towards this main trend line. Let's go to an hour. Last night we kind of squeezed and consolidated right here. I made this line last night around midnight. It's now broken it. Headed towards this trend line here. Bounced off of that. Bounced off of that trend line. Coming back down here. It's probably going to bounce around here for a while before it breaks down or breaks up. Push up, push down. Okay, I did want to show you guys this other indicator. It is called Double Bottom Strategy, Only Long ATR trailing stop or something like that. So if you're in the 15-minute time frame, it's 100% successful. Pretty cool. Drawdowns more than I like, more than my account can handle with Apex, which is $7,000. I'm only taking an $1,800 win. That's horrible. Let's try different time frames. 10 minutes. 10 minutes is also 100% win rate. Drawdowns 2,800. Take profit is 7,900. little better. It's a $4,000 move right there. Wow. The problem is, you see, this is February 4th, and then it goes back to August 15th. So this doesn't generate a signal every day or even every month. So that would be kind of hard to follow, but you can really probably over leverage on these trades. Go to the 5 minute. Still 100%. Max drawdown and total win is almost a 1-to-1. Still manageable with the Apex 50K account. So you potentially could use, these signals to pass your account because you can over leverage them to the max contracts if you get one of these signals. This is a free strategy that's on Tradingview called double bottom strategy, long only, ATR trailing. ATR trailing, stop plus alert. Okay, 3 minute, a little bit better here. Still really high, 97% win rate. Max drawdown is still more than I like for my taste. Yeah, this one trade right here is $2,700 drawdown. Wouldn't be able to take that kind of heat. I would take this strategy and refine it with different criteria to eliminate some of these high drawdown trades. However, this is a read-only strategy, so you don't have access to the code to modify it. I have no idea what the double bottom I mean, I know what the double bottom is, but don't know all their criteria. So they have pivot period, tolerance percent, ATR length, trailing stop ATR multiplier, minimum ATR to enter trade. Those are the settings I have it on. Just taking 2 contracts per trade. So that is the nice thing about Tradingview. They have all these indicators, all these strategies pre-programmed. You just got to go in there, find them, back test them, see which ones work for your style, the ones that have drawdown you can use in your accounts. And then if you can take their code and modify the strategy, which is what I've done to this Tim Trades NQ strategy. Took a pre-existing strategy, modified it, back tested it, tweaked it, made it work. But it only works if your account is approved for payouts. Doesn't work if your account is under review for your payout, because you don't want to blow the account or have a losing trade and then miss out on a payout. All right, I'm going to cut today's short session. Trade responsibly. Looks like the market is going nowhere. Slightly down. 0.16% down on the day. Around 40 points down on the day. Nvidia's down. S&P down a couple points. SPY down a little bit. The Dow and the DXY are up a little bit. Russell's up. Ethereum's up. Gold is slightly up. Doge is slightly up. So it's kind of a sideways market today. See if there's any news. No news today. No news. All right, have a good rest of your Monday. I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, July 15th, just before market opens. Have a good one.